Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, and today we're talking about the growing adoption of electric vehicles in Florida. President Donald Trump recently showed his support for American-made EVs, and it's clear that the future of transportation is heading towards a smarter, more cost-effective path. Electric vehicles are rapidly gaining momentum across the country, providing an affordable and reliable option for consumers. In fact, Florida now boasts over 3,600 electric vehicle charging stations open to the public, offering about 11,200 charging ports. This growth in infrastructure is being driven by federal funding opportunities and smart proposals from state lawmakers. Florida's Transportation Trust Fund is getting a boost, with existing electricity sales tax revenue being directed towards transportation funding. State Sens Nick Dye-Segley and Jay Collins have plans to move this priority forward, while Gov. Ron DeSantis' budget proposal takes a common-sense approach to modernizing Florida's transportation funding. Reps Shane Abbott and Fiona McFarland are also backing efforts to invest in the future of transportation. By embracing smart policies, we can make sure Florida remains at the forefront of this shift towards electric vehicles. Supporting EVs isn't just about individual convenience. It's about strengthening our economy, bolstering American manufacturing, and ensuring that our infrastructure keeps pace with innovation. By adopting policies that encourage growth rather than stifle it, we can create a win-win scenario that benefits our communities and our economy. As the demand for affordable and reliable transportation options continues to grow, it's clear that Florida is driving consumer choice forward. With 250,000-plus electric vehicles on its roads, the state is paving the way for innovation and progress. At ElectroDrive News, we're here to keep you informed about the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting topic.